In uncertain times, having the right survival gear isn't just helpful, it can be life-saving. In this video, we're showing you 12 of the coolest doomsday survival gadgets that are perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors, wants to be prepared, or just wants smart gear that works when it matters most. Whether you're a camper, a prepper, or someone who wants to stay ready for any emergency, these tools will make your life easier and safer. Stay with us. Without further ado, let's get started. When you're deep in the wild, versatility can mean the difference between comfort and survival. The Amazon Basics 15-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool pocket knife is built for those unpredictable moments, whether you're cutting rope, opening cans, or fixing gear on the go. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures reliability, while the included sheath keeps it secure and accessible. Imagine facing the wilderness with one compact tool that adapts to every challenge. This multi-tool becomes your trusted companion when survival demands resourcefulness. When the skies open up or the sun beats down relentlessly, the waterproof camping Tarp 10 by 10 feet survival tent becomes your shield in the wild. Crafted with durable anti-UV material, this mud-green tarp offers reliable protection against rain, wind, and harsh sunlight. Lightweight yet multifunctional, it transforms into a tent, ground cover, or emergency shelter, ensuring you stay safe and dry when nature tests your limits. Imagine setting camp in unpredictable weather. This tarp keeps you prepared, secure, and ready for survival.
4-pack water filter straw. When survival hinges on clean water, the 4-pack water filter straw becomes your ultimate safeguard. Imagine trekking through remote trails or facing an emergency where safe drinking water is scarce. This portable filtration system lets you sip directly from rivers, lakes, or streams with confidence. Each straw removes harmful bacteria and impurities, ensuring hydration without worry. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into any backpack, making them essential for camping, hiking, hunting, or family outings. In the wild, pure water isn't a luxury, it's survival.
When darkness surrounds you in the wild or during a sudden power outage, the Rechargeable Flashlight's 2-pack delivers unmatched reliability. With super bright high lumens and 5 zoomable modes, these handheld LEDs adapt to any situation, whether you're navigating a campsite, signaling for help, or securing your home in an emergency. The LCD digital display keeps you informed of battery life, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Imagine the confidence of carrying light that cuts through the night, making survival safer and smarter. When accidents strike, whether on a rugged trail or in the middle of daily life, the M2 Basics Professional First Aid Kit ensures you're never unprepared. With 350 carefully organized pieces, this dual-layer kit covers everything from minor cuts to urgent emergencies, making it indispensable for home, office, car, or outdoor adventures. Its wall-mountable design keeps supplies accessible, while the durable case protects contents in any environment. When you're far from outlets but still need power to keep your gear alive, the Anker Laptop Power Bank 25,000 mAh steps in as your lifeline. With triple 100-watt USB-C ports and built-in retractable cables, it can charge laptops, phones, and tablets simultaneously, making it indispensable for travel or emergencies. Flight-approved and compact, it ensures you stay connected even at 30,000 feet or deep in the wilderness. Imagine working on your MacBook or calling for help. This powerhouse keeps survival and productivity within reach. When stealth and reliability matter most, the SOG Instinct Boot Knife proves its worth as a compact survival essential. With a 2.3-inch full-tang blade, this fixed knife delivers strength far beyond its size, perfect for cutting cord, preparing kindling, or handling quick tasks in the field. Its sheath and clip allow versatile carry, whether on your boot, belt, or around your neck, ensuring it's always within reach. Imagine being deep in the wild with a blade that's discreet yet dependable. This knife is built for readiness.
When the wilderness tests you with cold nights or damp conditions, the Inflame fire starter's 130 pieces become your instant spark of survival. Waterproof and weather-resistant, these natural wood starters ignite quickly, making campfires, grills, or fireplaces effortless, even in rain or wind. Imagine being deep in the forest, needing warmth or a way to cook. These compact starters ensure fire is never out of reach.
When you're navigating uncharted terrain, the COSTIN multifunctional compass becomes more than a tool. It's your guide to survival. Built with military-grade metal and waterproof durability, it ensures accuracy even in harsh conditions. With its integrated map measurer, distance calculator, and bubble level, this matte black compass helps you plot routes, measure ground, and maintain precision when every step counts. Imagine being deep in the wilderness. This compass keeps you oriented, confident, and ready to face the unknown with clarity and control. When survival throws unexpected challenges your way, the 5-pack heavy-duty waterproof duct tape becomes your silent hero. With 90 feet of flexible, easy-tear strength, this silver tape handles everything from sealing shelters to repairing gear in harsh, all-weather conditions. When the grid goes down, or you're stranded far from civilization, the hand-crank emergency radio 7400 mAh becomes your lifeline. With AM, FM, and NOAA weather alerts, it keeps you informed of critical updates when survival depends on information. Its solar panel and hand crank ensure power generation anywhere, while built-in charging cables revive phones and essential devices. Imagine facing a blackout or storm. This rugged radio provides light, communication, and energy, turning uncertainty into preparedness and making survival smarter and more secure. When communication becomes the key to survival, the Baofeng AR5RM ham radio walkie-talkies keep you connected across long distances. With 10 watts of power, dual-pack reliability, and NOAA weather alerts, these tactical radios ensure you're never cut off from vital information. USB-C charging and the included programming cable make them versatile for modern use, while their rugged build suits hunting, camping, or emergency preparedness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with us. It fuels us to keep creating even better work and bringing you more essential gear insights.